Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we'll be revising questions of United Nations major agencies and their functions. So let's start the video. The first question: the United Nations organization, also known as UNO, is associated with what function? It's associated with maintaining peace, social progress, unrestrained freedom. D will be the correct answer. The third question: the UNICEF is associated with the realization and opportunity for every child, providing low community-based services, child health. So D would be the correct answer. Let's move on to the fourth question. The UNICEF encourages children to make greeting cards, raise funds through buying cards. C or D, the correct answer will be D. Neither A nor B. Fifth question. The current focus of UNICEF is on. So it is on D, all of these. It is focused on child survival, child development, and basic education. Sixth question. The main function of UNICEF includes. So it includes D, all of the above. So you have assisting countries in providing protective food, assisting women and pregnant mothers. C, providing funds for training and health of sanitation workers and pressure workers. Let's move on to the seventh question. The UNICEF is entrusted with. So it is entrusted with D, all of the above. So you have undertaking child immunization, providing consultancy service, supporting programs to prevent trafficking of women and children. Let's move on to the eighth question. UNICEF works to provide clean drinking water to villages, providing basic education, providing instant help to children and women during a natural disaster. So D would be the correct answer. Let's move on to the ninth question. The 4-point program launched by UNICEF does not include. So it does not include monitoring environmental degradation. 10th question. The child immunization against preventable disease by DASH was one of the leading goals of UNICEF. So this will be A, 1999. Let's move on to the 11th question. In order to achieve the aim of health for all by year 2000, the WHO adopted a global strategy which required efforts to be made in the fields of D, all of these. So efforts were to be made in primary healthcare, clean drinking water, and nutrition. 12th question, the WHO aims at what? So it aims at C, promoting and coordinating research in the field of health. B, financing research projects in their priority areas, so financing research projects. 13th question, the WHO aims to bring about improvement in standards of what? So it aims to bring about improvement in standards of D, all of these. Now, what does it aim to bring improvement in standards of nutrition, housing, and sanitation? 14th question, the 1980s, 1981 to 1990 is designated by WHO as International Drinking Water Supply and Sanitation Decade. A would be the correct answer. Let's move on to the next question. The WHO monitors outbreak of infectious disease such as AIDS, malaria, and SARS, COVID. Let's move on to the next question. 16th question. Due to the efforts of WHO, which of the following has been eradicated? C, smallpox. Let's move on to the 17th question. In DASH, India and entire Southeast Asia were certified as free from guinea worm disease. So that would be in 2008. Let's move on to the 18th question. What is done by WHO in order to inform people about health programs and to train personnel in specified areas? So that would be B, publishing magazine and organizing seminars. Let's move on to the 19th question. UNESCO declared the year 1979 as the International Year of the Child. Let's move on to the 20th question. The UNESCO contributes to peace and security in the world through D, all of the above. So it contributes to peace and security in the world through educational advancement, scientific development and technology, cultural interchange, and preservation of cultural heritage. The 21st question, which of the following are the functions of UNESCO in the field of educational advancements? So this would be D, to give advice and financial assistance for education, to work for universal primary education, distance education, and open school system, to give advice and expert assistance in school building construction. 22nd question, the Delhi Public Library was established in. So it was established in 1960 D. 23rd question, UNESCO provides financial assistance and promote research in the field of D, all of these. So it provides financial assistance and promote research in the fields of mathematics, geology, physics. Okay, the 24th question: for the development of science and technology, UNESCO does what? So it organizes seminars, it publishes bulletins, exhibitions, and journals, provides financial assistance. D would be the correct answer. 25th question: to encourage the study of social sciences, a special preference is given to D. The future of the human race, factors causing violence and conflict, violation of human rights. And then 26th question: for cultural interchange and preservation of cultural heritage, UNESCO does what? So it helps member states to preserve their cultural heritage, encourages cultural exchange, encourages country to buy books from other countries. D would be the correct answer. So that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed and learned something from this video. United Nations, the primary chapter, that video has been made before, so please check out that video and then come to this video. United Nations agencies, major agencies, WHO, UNESCO, etc. And you would understand this video much better. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I hope you have a great day. We'll meet in the next video. Bye-bye.